Hi, this is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video where I always invite you to be creative, to paint and color with me. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video if you enjoy it. So today is, I'm doing a sketch, and then I have a second video where I do a coloring. So you can see right here the bright colors that I will be adding with pastels. I use oil pastels, but you can use whatever medium you'd like. So in the description below, you will find a link to download and print your black and white illustration. And yeah, join me in coloring. So I want to briefly talk to you about what inspired me to create this sketch. So a few days ago, I was watching the news and I learned the story of Maria. Maria was a young woman living with her husband and was killed by her husband. She was a victim of domestic violence. And I just want to bring awareness and just let you know that if you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, please look for help. Keep the bridge of communication open with your loved ones. There's websites, local websites, and help that you can find online, and everything is functional and open during COVID-19. So this is Maria, and I will add links to her Facebook page where you can make a donation if you'd like to, and I will also put links of different websites that I looked up, and they look really great, and you can get help really quickly with connecting with someone from the websites. So yeah, I hope you enjoy making this sketch. I hope you print this illustration, and I hope you color with me. And again, if you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, please look for help and express your voice. All right, enjoy, stay safe. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and share. Don't forget to print your illustration and color with me in the next video. See the link in the description. Bye.